Here is a little kitty story for little Miss Evey called Three Little Kittens. Meow, meow, meow.
3 meows, that's it, Pappy. 3 little kittens, they got new mittens, and they began to cheer. Oh, mother dear, may we go out to play?
Meow, meow, meow.
Put on your mittens, you sweet little kittens, and you may go and play.
Meow, meow, meow.
Yes, you may go and play.
I want to play, Mommy. I want to play.
Kittens.
I want to play.
The 3 little kittens, they played and played. Look at them all, Evey.
Meow,
They're all playing. Look at the cardinal looking. Okay. They spun and leaped and pounced.
Having fun jumping.
Blue jay, cardinal,
Pacaw,
yellow bird.
pacaw.
We're having a lot of fun.
Meow.
Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Oh, no. Do you think mother's happy or sad? I don't know. What? Lost your mittens, you careless kittens? Then you shall have no pie.
Meow.
The
Meow.
kittens cried, for they would have no pie. Let's find our mittens, they said the kittens. Meow, meow, meow.
I want some pie. Give me pie.
Look at the beautiful pie.
Oh.
Okay, they have to find them. Soon one little kitten found her mittens. Which one, Pappy? Here it is. She found hers.
Meow.
Then the second kitty found his mittens. Purr, purr, purr. He's so happy. And the third little kittens, they found his mittens. They all found their mittens. 2, 2, and 2.
Give me some pie, Granny.
I don't know. We'll see what the mother says. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found.
Yay.
Think the mommy's happy.
Yay. Maybe Mommy ate the pie. Uh-oh.
What? Found your mittens, you darling kittens. Now you shall have some pie.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
And you shall have some pie. Look how happy they all are.
Yum, yum, yum.
Purr, purr, purr. Soon they ate up their pie. They love it. Look who's peeking. A mouse.
Give me some milk. Give me some milk. Give me some milk.
Oh, mother dear, look here, look here. We fear we made a mess. Uh-oh. You silly kittens, you're wearing your mittens. Their mother began to sigh.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
They began to sigh. Look at their dirty mittens.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. I'm
The
sorry.
3 little kittens, they washed their mittens. This is a big tub of soapy water. Look at the bubbles. Are they going to have clean mittens? Let's look. Oh, they're hanging them up to dry.
Hang me
They
up.
hung them up to dry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have washed.
Yay.
What? Washed your mittens? My good little kitties. Meow, meow, meow. The 3 little kittens put on their clean mittens, and they began to cheer. Oh, mother dear, may we go out to play? They want to play again, Pappy.
Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Ow.
That's it, Pappy.
That's it?
Yes.
Well, it's time to go night-night then. We hope this little kitty named Evey will sleep really good. Night-night. We love you.
Night, Evey.
Yeah.